A gun that remains in the hands of criminals has been used to kill and injure at least 30 people, leaving a trail of bodies, blood and tears across Kingston within the last 2+ years. Now, tests have revealed that the so-called wanted or ghost gun is involved in 18 killings, including at least 4 double murders and 11 wounding incidents, a high-ranking police official confirmed. The killings are scattered across 5 police divisions in Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Catherine between 2019 and December of 2021. Now, ghost guns are linked to crimes through ballistic tests conducted on spent casings, bullet fragments and expended bullets recovered from scenes of crime, detectives, one senior investigator explained. The spent shells and how they are fired, they have a way to determine consistency or if the rounds come from the same gun. That is how they are able to determine that one gun is responsible for a 5 incident, the senior investigator said. But apart from the clues that it is a handgun, the police know very little about this killing machine. Now, roughly 230 multiple active wanted guns have been involved in 662 murders and non-fatal shootings nationally between January and June this year. This according to Deputy Police Commissioner Fitzbailey. Now, a breakdown of the figures show that 29 guns are responsible for 73 murders and non-fatal shootings in St. James. 28 guns were traced to 55 killings and non-fatal shootings in the St. Catherine South Police Division, while 77 murders and non-fatal shootings in St. Andrew South Police Division were linked to 50 guns. 195 guns were used in 566 murders and non-fatal shootings during the first half of 2021. Jamaica recorded 760 murders and 595 non-fatal shootings between January 1 and last Wednesday, according to the latest police statistics. Murders are up 2.8% year-on-year, while shootings are down 9%. 163 murders and non-fatal shootings were traced to 57 of the over 230 illegal guns seized by the police in the first half of this year, the JCF statistics show. Bailey, the JCF crime chief, believes illegal gun rentals, contract killings, as well as intra- and inter-gang conflicts are some of the factors fueling the increasing number of ghost guns popping up on the police's radar. If the gun is part of a syndicate that is committing crimes, then you are going to see footprints of that gun all over. It could also be a rent-a-gun scheme, where a man rents a gun and do a job and then returns it, he said. The Sunday Gleaner, citing senior law enforcement sources, reported in January that a thriving undergun murder for hire industry is believed to be the main driver behind the bulk of the 1,463 murders recorded last year. The gun used to unleash terror on several communities across the Jamaican capital last surfaced 5 days before Christmas in 2021, the police records show. Residents say lifelong friends Mario Myers, 31, and Carlington Williams never had a chance after they were surprised by 2 gunmen in a brazen Sunday morning attack along Water Lane in their central Kingston community of South Side. They were shot multiple times before residents discovered their bodies along the roadway and in a gully that runs along the South Camp Road near Water Lane. The first crime in 2020 for the gun linked to the deaths of Myers and Williams was another daylight double murder, this time in Dunkirk, East Kingston. Residents and police say Lorenzo Campbell, 28 years old, and Orion Baker, 35, went to Bryden Street on May 27, 2020 to purchase guns for a gang based in the neighboring Central Kingston area when the deal turned sour. They were robbed of cash, then shot repeatedly. Family members were reluctant to comment on the killing, but said Baker was just following a friend somewhere and was unaware of Campbell's mission. 4 months later, on September 9, the gun was again used in another double murder, this time in the West Kingston community of Arnett Gardens. The names of the victims were not disclosed. After a 7-month hiatus, the gun resurfaced in Fraser's Content, St. Catherine, on April 29, 2021. According to a police report, it was one of several firearms used to spray a packed Toyota Coaster bus with bullets. When the shooting ended, 7 people were wounded, including Tracy Ann Sr., 40 years old, and Onika Carter, 28. Both of Central Kingston addresses and who later succumbed to their injuries. Kingston Central has 25 guns linked to 49 cases. St. Andrew South, 50 guns linked to 77 cases. St. Catherine South, 28 guns linked to 55 cases. St. James, 29 guns linked to 73 cases, and Westmoreland, 23 guns which are linked to 43 cases.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!